Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the best apps for XAUUSD trading. Understanding XAUUSD, or gold versus the US dollar, is your first step. Selecting a reliable and efficient trading application is paramount for navigating this dynamic market. We will delve into essential features and considerations to help you make an informed decision, ensuring your trading experience is both effective and secure. When evaluating trading apps, prioritize a seamless user experience. Real-time market data and comprehensive charting capabilities are indispensable for making informed decisions. Additionally, competitive spreads and minimal commission fees can significantly impact your overall profitability. Always ensure the platform employs strong security protocols to safeguard your investments and personal data against potential threats. Many reputable platforms cater to XAUUSD traders, offering a range of sophisticated tools. Seek out applications that provide advanced charting, numerous technical indicators, and flexible leverage options, often up to 1 to 500. Fast trade execution is crucial in the volatile gold market. Furthermore, dependable customer support, available 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, can be invaluable for resolving any issues promptly. To select the best app, align its features with your unique trading style and objectives. Always begin by practicing with a demo account. This allows you to familiarize yourself with the platform risk-free. Confirm the app is regulated by a reputable financial authority, ensuring a secure trading environment. Finally, start with a modest investment, perhaps $100 to $200, to gradually gain experience and confidence in the live market.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.